much is your typing speed? 30, 40, 60 or even more than that? In 90s, everyone used to learn typing and wanted to master the typing skills. Now in computer age, slowly that skill is not in demand. And nowadays, you can convert any text into digital format without even typing. Hi, I'm Aarohi. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And we have categories on this channel like finance, life skill and technology. Don't forget to check out all of my videos. I'm going to show you one very interesting technique which will help you to convert any long text into a digital format in just a few seconds. So let's move on the techniques.
Find out the text which you want to copy into digital format. So over here I am using my writer's canvas book for demonstration. Keep the book in a bright place. So let's get started. First, go to the Google app. Then click on the photo icon in the search bar. Select the option text which is visible on your screen. Hold on the camera. Then take a photo of it. Over there you will see a option of select all. Select all. Then select copy text. Then the text is copied to your clipboard. So I have this app like Google Keep which is given by Google. So I am going over there and pasting it. So this text is converted into digital format without even typing in just a matter of seconds. You can also try this for yourself.
If you like this technique, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you. Bye.